In this first tab, I have my Social Blade estimated earnings for my gaming channel. In the second one, we have my actual YouTube earnings. Do they differ, or is Social Blade spot on? By the way, boys and girls, make sure you stick until the end of this video because I will show you my yearly earnings and my total earnings for the last 2 years which I have been partnered. Alright, boys and girls, so for this example, I'm gonna be using my gaming channel, like I said. 3.5k subscribers, 769k views, and all we have to do now is compare it. Okay, so as you can see, during the last few days, I've been getting 3 to 6,000 to 2k views a day, right? How much is that gonna translate to in money? Now, first off, I want you to know that YouTube determines and the advertisers determine how much they want to pay for your type of video depending on the niche of your channel. Basically, you've already heard this, but if you're in the gaming niche, you should get roughly about $1 to maybe $3 at most for 1,000 views. What is the case for my channel? Could this differ? We'll see in a second. I will show you guys. What if you're in a different niche? If your niche is like technology, if your niche is like business, crypto. If your channel is either of those three niches, you have an extremely higher RPM. RPM, again, is the abbreviation for the money you get paid for 1,000 views, right? So, keeping in mind that I'm in the gaming niche, what are my earnings? Well, according to Social Blade, I should be getting anywhere between $19 and $301 monthly. There's quite a lot of wiggle room right here, right? That's like saying somebody's rent is at least $100 a month. You know what I mean? You're not technically wrong, but there's just so much wiggle room and it's just like such a rough estimate of the overall picture. This is my analogy of what Social Blade is doing, right? They're saying, well, you're earning at least $19, but then you could be earning like thousands, and they put the other mark, the other end, at 301. Okay, we'll see how correct that is. Estimated monthly earnings. Okay, what about the estimated yearly earnings? Again, starting from $226 all the way through to $3,600. I'm just gonna say that right now, if I was making $3,000 a year, $3,500, I wouldn't be working my actual job. Alright, let's use the 21st of August as an example. On the 21st of August, we got 3.9k views, and that should have yielded us somewhere between 98 cents and $16. Such a rough estimate, oh my god, bro. But 3,900 views. Let's see what we actually earned. First off, let's see if the views are correct. So-so. 500 views apart. But what we actually earned for this day is $3.97. So technically, they're not wrong. But having these huge estimates is just not giving much information at all. So on that day we got $3.97, which means our RPM on that day was $1.14, which is really, really low. Two other examples. Let's do the stats on the 20th and the 19th. So 20th we got 3.9k views. I should have earned between 88 cents and $14, and in fact I earned $3.74. Okay, and the 19th, 3.5k up to $14, and we got $4.5. So that is how it works. Alright, Social Blade, so let's do the monthly earnings now. You kind of proved yourself as an okay estimate, bearing in mind what a vast estimate you give us, but let's see if you're correct about the monthly earnings. So finally, I reveal this to you. During the month of August, we have earned $83.58, which is okay. It's kind of low. My RPM is really low this month, but I did make quite short videos, so that kind of explains it. So in that regard, Social Blade is completely correct. But let's see, what about my yearly earnings? Let's see what about them. So from $226 up to $3.6K. Was Social Blade correct? Well, first off, I want to look at my earnings for the 90 days. So for 90 days, we got 200K views and we got $268, which is low, but it's some extra income. So for that, as you can see, a quarter of the year, we made about $250. So you can probably understand where I'm going with this. So let's do a custom period. I want to see how much we've made during the year 2022. So this year alone, for 8 months, we have made $734. Now, bear in mind that this varies because I did get some super chats, I did get some donations, stuff like that. So we've gotten 470K views right here, and we've earned $734. As you can see, we began with some really low numbers, $1, even less than $1 a day. There were some spikes here and there, but they didn't last long. So less than $1, then we suddenly started increasing right here, and that is because of the game that I play. The game that I play is a super niche game, loyal viewers, but super niche. As you can see, this spike right here is because I got a membership and donation, if I'm not mistaken, because I streamed that day. So small game, I get $1, $2, $5. Right here, the game got a big increase, a big population increase. So people were searching for my videos. And then we get $2 again, $2, $6 right here. Another spike in the game's popularity, as you can see. 15th of March, and then another game, spike, boom, right here. And then around here in May, I started making content for another game. And right here is my best earning days, $15 and $16 accordingly. So that is for this year. But what about an entire year? What about an entire year? 365 days. That's how many days are in a year. So for an entire year, the last 365 days, we have earned 500K views, nearly 19K watch hours, 2K subscribers, and $934. That is not a lot by any means, but compared to YouTube's or Social Blade's estimates, that is correct. We are at the lower spectrum of the estimates, but still we have made it, and in some sort of way they are correct. But bear in mind, like I said, this is for a gaming channel. For gaming channels, their CPM is super low. If you're looking at Social Blade stats for like a tech channel, like freaking crypto channel, they could even surpass this upper limit which Social Blade is giving you. Some tech channels, some crypto channels, investment channels, they get an extremely high CPM/RPM, and they can even surpass this upper limit which Social Blade is giving you. For a gaming channel though, the estimate is okay, bearing in mind how vast it is. So these are my earnings. This is everything that I've earned so far in the previous year and this year. So thank you, boys and girls, for watching. I hope you got some information out of it. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.